Hello everyone, this is RC Pilot and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be doing a review of the F36 FuriBee drone kindly provided by GearBest. So, the drone came in this package and it arrived in approximately a week. So right now I'm just going to unbox it and let's see what's inside. So this is the box the FuriBee drone comes in, and I must say it's quite neatly packaged. So this is the main body of the drone. Behind it includes an instruction manual as well as a packet of accessories. So this is the main drone, and I'll be including the specs later in the video. The controller comes in a white main body as well as black thumbsticks, and it looks and feels a little bit light in comparison to actual RC remote transmitters, but I think it should do the job. The throttle stick does have the non-return function that most standard RC transmitters have, which is quite good considering that most of you will be flying it with the experience of flying an RC quadcopter on a normal transmitter, so this thing will definitely be handy. Other than that, the sticks feel quite alright for a mini quad, and this is powered by 3 AAA batteries, and the quad is powered by a small battery that should be included. That's here, and if I'm correct, it should be 150 milliamp one cell battery. So I will take a quick pause here and I'll be back with the specs. So for the specs of the aircraft, the quadcopter alone weighs 16 grams and the battery alone weighs about 5 to 6 grams depending on the size of battery. So I found that there are two types of batteries. This battery weighs slightly heavier, about 6 grams, and it is fatter and a bit harder to slide into the battery compartment, and this smaller one weighs 5 grams, but they're both rated at 150 milliamp. It's just that one seems to output more power and has a longer flight time than the other. So that's for the batteries. The remote, with its batteries included, weighs about 96 grams. This is kind of light for a RC transmitter, and those of you who are used to flying off standard RC transmitters might find this a little too cheapo. So that's it for the specs. So this is clearly different, and it's about 12 to 13 grams of thrust. So this should by right lift the drone, and now we will see in its performance. I'm going to test by the drone, and I'll be using the lowest rates for now, so it should be the least sensitive. So the red part, or the part with the red light, is where it's forward, and the blue part is the back, so you can use that as orientation. So what I find about this drone though is that its throttle is extremely jittery and sensitive in the sense that because the controller is so small, it's kind of hard to really accurately control the throttle of this. So as you can see, it's like bouncing around, but to me this is pretty manageable, and I mean with a little bit of practice you can easily get it to hover and do what you need. So now I'm going to go into the higher mode. So higher mode is changed by the little switch on the left side of your the transmitter, so you'll hear a beep and it will start to go into a different mode. So this is a slightly faster mode, and you can see it's slightly faster. And now I'm going to go on to the even faster mode. So this is mode 2, should be faster. Alright, so we're back in the air, and this is the second mode. It's pretty sensitive, I think about 50%. Once again, to recap, this is the normal mode. Pretty lazy and seems quite controllable, but a lot of throttle corrections need to be made because this drone can be quite jittery. You can see right now it's bouncing all over the place, and what does that mean? No battery!